Hey there, you're trying to reach customer service. You're on hold for what feels like hours, only to be transferred to another department. And another. And another. It's a frustrating experience that we've all been through. Today, we're going to dive into Ally Bank and see just how many transfers you can expect when trying to get help. Hook. Have you ever wondered if there's a bank out there that actually values your time? A bank that doesn't make you jump through hoops just to get a simple question answered? Building context. We've all heard the horror stories about terrible customer service. Long wait times, rude representatives, and endless transfers. It's enough to make anyone dread picking up the phone. But what if there was a bank that was different? A bank that actually cared about your experience? The Ally experience. That's where Ally Bank comes in. They've made a name for themselves by offering exceptional customer service. But does that mean fewer transfers? Let's find out. Research and analysis. To answer this question, we've done extensive research. We've read countless reviews, analyzed customer feedback, and even contacted Ally directly. Based on our findings, here's what we've discovered. Ally Bank is known for its efficient customer service. They have a reputation for keeping transfers to a minimum. Many customers report being able to get their questions answered without being transferred multiple times. Ally's website and mobile app are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to find the information you need without having to call customer service. Customer testimonials. To get a better understanding of the Ally experience, let's hear from some real customers. Here's what a few customers have to say about their interactions with Ally's customer service. Customer 1, I was really impressed with how quickly I was able to get help. I only had to be transferred once, and the representative I spoke to was very knowledgeable and helpful. Customer 2, I've been an Ally customer for years, and I've always been satisfied with their customer service. They've never made me jump through hoops or transferred me to multiple departments. Customer 3, I had a question about my account, and I was able to find the answer I needed on their website without having to call customer service at all. Factors affecting transfers. While Ally is known for its efficient customer service, there are a few factors that can affect the number of transfers you may experience, the complexity of your question or issue, the time of day or day of the week you're calling, the availability of customer service representatives. Conclusion. Overall, Ally Bank has a strong reputation for minimizing transfers and providing excellent customer service. If you're looking for a bank that values your time and offers a hassle-free experience, Ally is definitely worth considering. Call to action. Want to learn more about Ally Bank and see if it's the right bank for you? Check out their website or visit a branch near you. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.